Hey there, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two top-notch robot vacuum and mop combos, the Roborock Revo and the Roomba Combo J5. Let's dive right in and see which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to cleaning performance, both the Roborock Revo and the Roomba Combo J5 offer powerful suction and advanced cleaning technologies. The Revo boasts 5,500 pascals extreme suction, allowing it to effortlessly capture dust and dirt from various floor types, including carpets. It also features dual spinning mops that remove even tough stains with ease. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 utilizes the same powerful vacuum technology as the Roomba J7 vacuum, ensuring a comprehensive clean. With its 4-stage cleaning system and dirt detect technology, it focuses on dirtier areas and picks up debris and pet hair effectively. Smart features play a significant role in enhancing the convenience and efficiency of these robot vacuum and mop combos. The Roborock Revo offers an advanced app and voice control system. With the Roborock app, you can control various settings, adjust suction and water flow, and even set no-go zones. It also supports Amazon Alexa and Siri shortcuts, allowing you to control the device using your voice. On the other side, the Roomba Combo J5 comes with the iRobot Home app, which enables you to create no-mop zones and customize cleaning schedules. It's also compatible with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, offering up to 60 days of worry-free vacuuming. Apart from the core functionalities, these robot vacuum and mop combos come with some additional features that enhance their overall performance. The Roborock Revo offers a multifunctional dock that includes auto mop washing, hot air drying, and a 5L water tank for extensive mopping. It also features reactive tech obstacle avoidance, ensuring precise navigation and customized cleaning. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 is designed to avoid objects like cords, pet toys, and even pet waste. It also includes a mop bin that transforms the robot vacuum into a robot vacuum and mop combo, leaving your hard floors shiny and dust-free. Both products excel in different categories, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Roborock Revo and the Roomba Combo J5. Both products excel in different categories, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.